My truck has these funky little marks in a few places. And I'm going to show you something that nobody else is going to show you in 2025 because nobody knows how to do any work themselves anymore. Everybody, especially online, wants to show you all their fancy toys and stuff like that. And for some reason, everybody has $50,000 worth of tools and everything related to cars. But you know, back in the day, you could do things with your hands, and it was free or cheap, and you could get the same results. It just took some actual work. So I have, this is called a rag. It's a piece of cloth. It's a microfiber, which I'm not a big fan of. They feel weird, but that's called a cloth, and that's called rubbing compound. And I'm going to blow your minds, but you can actually just put some of this on a rag and rub that and get it off, and you don't have to have like a fancy buffer and spend hundreds of dollars. So really great secret, guys. Nobody wants to do any work anymore. I don't know what to tell you. A little bit of that on there. Pick your spot. Just get to rubbing. It's going to take a while, but we live our lives too fast-paced anyway. So I'm going to do this for a few minutes, and I'll be back. What do you know? About 3 minutes of vigorous rubbing with a rag and a little bit of my polish, and what do you know? That's all gone. This is not going anywhere because that's actually metal. That's bare metal. So whoever had it before me scratched it up real good. I'm going to either find some touch-up paint or maybe just not worry about it. But either way, my point is you can do things with your bare hands. People did it for hundreds of years, and it doesn't have to be expensive. You can fix things for $10 or less. So you don't have to go to some douchebag in a fancy shop with a $100,000 truck who wears Oakleys. And don't laugh, because these are not Oakleys. These are $1.50 at the Dollar Tree. And I actually can't stand this style, but I have an eye condition, and I didn't have my other ones one day, so I had to stop and get them, and you know, all this stuff. Anyway, I do things cheap because that's how I was raised. I've always been broke. I'm probably not, I guess, technically super broke anymore, but I live like I'm broke, okay? I like doing stuff the manual way. There's something much more rewarding about it, and you can live. You don't have to put money out so much, and it also gets you to slow down, which is just a good thing because we all move too fast, and we need to slow down, children. We need to slow down. So I'm gonna keep working on this 4Runner, and I'll be posting some more videos. See you guys later.